Okay, so this is going to be a Roux walkthrough solve. So I'm going to put the scrambles in the description. And so let's scramble. Here's the first one. Okay. Now, I look around the cube to see if I have a pre-made pair, which for this scramble I don't. But I see this line, and I like where the line goes, because I can bring that piece right there, and then these two would just be flipped over here, and then I could just, so I'm gonna go like that. I see these two. I pair these up. This one I'm going to insert right there. I see this and this. Pair them up. Put them in. Okay. For this, what I do is I can recognize these from all angles. So this one is solid, and then these, since it's off by like a U from what I would normally do it, I know that I have to do this. Okay, these two edges are flipped. Like that. Okay, and then I see UL and UR right here. U prime M, U, M prime U2, M prime. Have them both in the D layer. U prime, and then I glance at these two. So after I do an M2, I'm going to do a U, M prime, U2, M. Sorry. This one's white, so it needs to go back here. Okay. The next one. Again, I glance over the cube to see pre-made pairs. Doesn't appear that I have any. So I would go for something like this. I see this, orange and white. I can put this one with this, with a U prime R2D, and then like an R2U2M. So like this, pair those up, D prime. This would go like that. R2, U2, U prime. I see these two, and I see this, so I'm gonna try to force that in, and then I'll go like that. Okay, so I could do just a Y prime. I see these and this, and I also know that the last UR edge is back here, based on knowing that this color, knowing that this one's white, and since this is white, it can't be UL or UR, and then that process of elimination leaves it from there. So U. I glance at these two. I see the white blue, yellow blue. Like so. Okay. Next scramble. I see this. I see this. So I'm going to look for the white green and see if I can throw that in, which I can. So I'm going to do a U, sort of like a M. So we have this, and then this whole section needs to be put right here. So it'd go like that. Put that there. Boom. I see this and this. These two, which probably do something like this. Okay. This, which would be sexy sludge. I see ULUR. So okay, I see these, which is going to leave me with this, and it leaves me with this case, which I would, since I'm holding the cube like this, I would slightly go like that. Like that, sort of thing. Ah. You get the idea? Yeah. Next, scramble. Okay. I'll look around this cube. These scrambles are pretty bad. I don't like them. So as I look around the cube, I'm trying to spot easy, like one move pairs. I see this one, which would match up with this, like that. Probably just, yeah, I'd probably go off of that and look to see what else I could do. So there's that, the D. I could go like, yeah, that's really awkward. I'd probably end up doing something stupid like this. Which is these two, which would be paired up and put there. And these two. Let's see these two, like so. This one, I'll do COLL, because that would preserve better edge orientation. Based on what I see here, ULUR can either be here or here. So I'm going to gun it, and as I do that, I see that there's a white here. So I'm going to want it to go like that. Put them, oh, yeah, I fail. So I made UL and UR actually UF and UB, which also works, because now I solve UL and UR and get a skip, I guess you could call it. Okay, this next scramble, I see this. This would go like there, but I don't like the way that looks. So I would check how this pairs up. That pairs up quite nicely. I'm going to look for either a yellow, orange, green, and a yellow, orange. So that would actually be quite... Can I work that together? I don't know if I can do that. I'll look at these two, which isn't too hot of a whatever. I'll go with the yellow, orange, green, like that. I pair these two up, and this one I see already. There's the white, green here. So I'll go like this, put these two in, and then I would see these two, like so. UL, UR. Since I didn't solve the corners, I'd place them both in the D layer, solve the corners. Okay, you two, look at these two. But it's like that. So, one last one. So, around. I don't see anything too appealing. And I might go something over here with that. Yeah, that's pretty much like cross C sort of thing. But we're gonna look at this one, and that would be placed there. So when it's taken out, yeah, that's easy look ahead. So you two are insert that one. Okay, these two, I see. See this. Solve the corners by looking at that, and this. I'm trying to learn how to recognize these easy. That would be Niklas, I believe. Yeah. Two flip. You, and then I see that the white blue's here. M. Like that. UL, UR. Have this, so. Yeah, so that's it. Need to practice this. Whoa, that's weird. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting.